In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Google Ads support directly. Whether you're managing a small business or running extensive ad campaigns, reaching out to Google Ads support can be essential for resolving issues or getting expert advice. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to make direct contact with Google Ads support. So let's dive in. Firstly, you'll need to navigate to the Google Ads website. Open your web browser and enter the following URL, ads.google.com. This is your starting point for accessing the suite of tools that Google Ads offers for your digital marketing needs. Once you're on the home page, you'll want to look for the sign in button. This is typically located at the upper right corner of the page. Clicking it will prompt you to log in. Make sure you enter your Google account credentials associated with your Google Ads account to proceed. After logging in, you'll find yourself on what's known as the Google Ads home. This page offers an overview of your campaigns and provides a dashboard for managing your ads. The interface is designed to be user-friendly so you can easily find the information you need to assess your advertising success and strategize your next moves. From this central hub, you can also access various functionalities including campaign management, analytics, and most importantly for today, customer support. Now, to get in touch with Google Ads support, you need to locate the help icon. Typically, this is depicted as a question mark and is often found in the top right corner of your interface. When you click on this icon, a drop-down menu will appear offering different support options. These options might include a help center where you can find articles and FAQs, chat support, community forums, or options to initiate direct contact with Google support representatives. For a more direct and personal touch, you will likely want to speak or chat with someone from the Google Ads support team. Depending on your region, you may have the option to request a call, or you might prefer to start a chat session with a representative. Either way, make sure to have your account details handy, as support might require this information to assist you promptly and efficiently. By following these steps, you can quickly navigate through the Google Ads platform and find the help you need. Remember, reaching out for support not only solves immediate issues but also helps you optimize your advertising strategies. Having access to expert advice can be invaluable for making informed decisions that benefit your business's growth. So, that's how you contact Google Ads support directly. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.